Good morning, everyone. Welcome to Pre-Market News and Views by In the Money Stocks. Today is Thursday, February 7, 2019. My name is Nick Santiago. Thank you all for tuning in this morning. All right, today we have the S&P 500 E-mini futures trading lower by 15.5 points to 27.14 per contract. So you can see the futures really right around 5 o'clock in the morning started to slide here. A lot of this is due to Europe. So we'll see how this all plays out today. But nonetheless, markets have been up in a big way. They're into a lot of resistance regardless. So we're due for a little bit of backing and filling or some kind of a pullback in the near term. We'll see if we are getting that today. I'm not so sure that's happening, but we'll see if we are. And we'll play this market as it comes. Day trading has been spectacular. So again, if you haven't done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. We've had a great 2019. Let's get started here. Big merger out here today. SunTrust and BB&T Bank. SunTrust getting a big pop. Stock closed at $58.75, now trading at $65. Looks like they're doing an all-stock merger deal with BB&T Bank, and that's BBT is the ticker symbol there. That stock is actually up on the news as well. Closed at $48.50, now trading at $50.80. So you got a big bank merger there. I think this is going to create one of the largest regional banks in the country. So again, we'll see how this shakes out. But big move there. Full disclosure, I do own call options in SunTrust. So I just want to put that out there. Next up, we want to take a look at Chipotle Mexican Grill. They reported earnings. Stock closed yesterday at $526, now trading at $573.50. Monster pop for Chipotle Grill. Again, very good move. I'm looking at resistance up here. I gotta say, this stock might even have a little more room to run. Really, the big level of resistance that I'm seeing is going to be around $630, maybe $635. That's a pretty good move if it gets up there. If you own Chipotle Grill, I would trail the stop loss already. Here's another name everybody knows, Twitter, TWTR. They reported earnings. Stock is getting whacked. Closed at $34.16, now trading at $31.90. I'm going to have gap levels ready to go for this one in the intraday stock chat room. So get ready. Hopefully this comes into our range and we'll get to play this. We have a little bit lower to go. But Twitter in play today. Next up, I want to take a look at Dunkin brands, DNKN. This stock is getting slaughtered today. Closed at $68.83, now trading at $65.36. This is a stock I could probably see some levels out here right now, but a level I really like for this stock would be around $64.65, $64.60, anywhere down there. I think there's a lot of support. This is a mathematical number. Please understand, very often Dunkin brands does not trade 1 million shares a day. So sometimes it does, sometimes it don't. Most often it does not. So there's what we call an overshoot property to stocks like that. So they can go a little bit lower than most people think. But I'm going to be watching that 64.60 area. I'll try to refine this in the intraday stock chat room once the market opens. Let's take a look at NXPI. NXPI, a semiconductor play, getting hit today. Stock closed at $87.85. I did own call options in this. I got out of them yesterday on the run-up. Today, the earnings came out and the stock is getting hit. I don't think there's anything terrible here. I just think that the stock got a little bit overdone and it ran up into earnings. And anytime that happens, the earnings already factored into the news. So again, we'll be watching this one today. Stock gets down to around 84 bucks. I start to get interested in this again. So we'll keep it on the radar. We'll see how it plays out. I'll update you on this in the intraday stock chat room. Let's take a look at Yum Brands. Yum Brands getting hit today. Closed at $94.58. Now trading at $92.97. I do have a gap play for this. So again, we'll see if it comes down a little bit lower. I think it will. I'm going to have a gap level ready to go in the intraday stock chat room. That'll be posted up in about 5 to 10 minutes. But that is already done. Let's take a look at Match.com, MTCH, or Match as it's called. The stock is trading at $58.50. Closed at $53.15. So good little pop there. That's a nice move to the upside. You're going to see some resistance in this general range. After this, it's all the way up to 61.25. If you take a look at IAC, that looks like it's moving in sympathy to Match as well. That's trading at $218.15. Closed at $206.80. So IAC moving up in sympathy. Let's take a look at CAH. It's Cardinal Health. Stock is trading at $54.04. Closed at $50.79. Good little pop there. We'll see if it has a little bit more room to run. Little resistance at 55. Let's go to Fiat Chrysler, FCAU. This is getting hit hard this morning. Stock closed at 17.35, now trading at 15.45. I probably can work out a level for this. I already see some levels on the charts here that would get interested in. Most likely be down around the 14.75 to 14.50 area, but I'll refine this in the intraday stock chat room. So again, if you guys have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial to the intraday stock chat room. It's been great action, especially during earnings season. We have had a blockbuster year, and we're going to look to keep that going. Next up, we want to take a look at TPR, which is Tapestry. This is the old coach. The stock is trading at 34.75, closed at 39.30. So this is a good little sell-off here. Again, when I look at this, hard to really give you a great level. Right now, I'd be watching a 32 level with the double bottom. That should be some support there. Let's take a look at Fortinet. FTNT is the ticker symbol here. Stock is trading at 81.90, closed at 81.22. So it's up a little bit. Did spike after the earnings announcement was made yesterday. Has come back down toward the flat line. So there's nothing we'll do with this one right off the bat, but we will keep it on the radar, and we'll see how this one plays out. Let's take a look here at Kellogg's. Ticker symbol K. Stock is trading at $56.30, closed at $59.16. I'm going to work on some levels for this. I'm not really seeing anything that I love right here, but we'll look at it once the opening bell rings. Keep it on the radar. Take a look at FireEye, FEYE. This stock right now is getting hammered. Closed at $18.42, now trading at $16.12. If you're aggressive, $15.50 area does look pretty solid right now, at least for an initial hit and a quick bounce. So if you're a scalper and you're quick, 1550 might do the trick there for FireEye. All right, let's switch gears here a little bit. Let's go over to the gold market. Gold trading down $1.30 this morning to $1,313 an ounce. So gold is down ticking just a little bit. If you take a look at the GLD, that's trading at 123.65. Closed at 123.47. The GLD is a good ETF. Track the movement in gold. Then if you look at crude oil today, that is down 48 cents to $53.53 a barrel. If you go to the USO, it's a good oil ETF, you'll see that's trading at 11.25 this morning, down from 11.34. So again, gold down just a touch, oil down a little bit. We got lots of stocks in the news. There's many stocks I didn't get to cover just because of the time constraint here, but nonetheless, there's plenty of action out here. So if you have not done so, come on over, take that 7-day free trial, trade right alongside of us. We'd love to have you there. With that being said, everybody, I'm going to leave it here short and sweet. Have a great trading day, and we will see you all on the charts.